What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah. If you don't know already, I'm a freelance makeup artist and my channel is mainly on beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. In today's video, you're gonna see me installing a new sexy wig from Love Me. So this is the wig right here. When I opened it, it looks similar to the last wig that I got sent from Love Me, that I did a whole like full get ready with me with it. But this one is a lot longer and it has bangs and it has color. I love me a wig with color. It's so freaking pretty and the curls are so bouncy. So this is I believe this is like a 5x5. I can part it wherever I want. That's how the inside looks. Okay, so this is the hair. We definitely need to customize it and make it look cute. Definitely gonna comb out these curls. Just want to show you the lace. I'm gonna put some powder foundation in the inside so it can blend a lot easier. We're gonna cut the lace, install her, and we're gonna style this wig now. If you are the type of person that likes to bleach your knots, I really do suggest you do that with this wig, because I was able to see the knots on this one. They're pretty noticeable, so I really had to go in with powder foundation. If you're not good at that like I am, I just take a really full coverage foundation, make sure that it's matte so that it won't transfer all over your forehead, and I put on a foundation powder right on top, and it literally does give the effect like you bleached it. Now I'm gonna comb out these curls because I want to go for a more like looser vibe. So the hair comes really curly already. I'm gonna have to okay, this bang, it keeps stabbing my eye, so I'm gonna do that first. So I'm gonna just grab my hair scissors and I'm gonna cut this like, is this cut in a slant? I feel like majority of the time my hair is gonna be on this, like the bang is gonna be on this side. I'm just gonna cut in a slant. So see how it's giving me like that look already? I'm just taking some hair and I'm cutting it into a slant. So basically what I mean when I'm cutting the hair into a slant, I'm cutting the hair short to long because I don't want it to be such a blunt cut. I want it to have a more curtain wispy effect. So you want to go little by little when you're cutting bangs into your wig, because guess what, they can't grow back. But I feel like this is a pretty good length, and now we're gonna style it. I don't want the roots to be curly because I want the hair to appear longer. I want the curls to be more on the bottom. I'm just gonna curl. I'm just gonna straighten the roots. I'm gonna take my 1.5-inch Conair curling iron, and we're gonna do like really pretty big waves on the bottom. Even though I straighten my hair with my flat iron, I'm still gonna go in with a brush so that I can really brush out those curls. And then I'm taking my curling iron and I'm curling it away from my face, just so that the curls and the bangs could just frame my face really nicely. So now I'm just gonna do this all throughout my hair. I'm just gonna curl each and every piece of straight hair. Usually when I'm getting ready and stuff, I'll leave my hair curly like this without running my fingers through it. But since we are doing a tutorial and we can't be waiting like an hour for it to set, I'm gonna just use my adhesive spray, but a tiny bit. Just a little bit, because then it's gonna be super stiff. Now I'm gonna comb it through. See, now the hair, it has a lot more length to it. Ooh, look how cute. I thought the hair was gonna come a lot darker. Like, I thought the highlights were gonna be like a brown chestnut highlight, but it's more of like a honey blonde. It's still really pretty. I really do like it. I love the bangs too. And if you feel like the bangs are in the way, you can also just comb them back and it'll give you like a nice, like, look how cute that looks too. Let me show you guys the back. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.